Hey guys, this is Anu. Today we are going to discuss about the best wireless headphones in 2021. Say goodbye to cords and hello to the best wireless headphones. The best wireless headphones provide a fantastic connectivity, supreme audio quality and sleek designs. And some of them even come with active noise cancellation and AI assistance that you can control with your voice. So many options can mean it's difficult to find the best for your needs, your budget and your style. And that's why I have created this video to help. So let's get started. On number 1 we have Sony WX-1000XM4. The Sony WH-1000XM4 are the best wireless headphones you can buy. Thanks to their excellent noise cancellation, cutting-edge codec support, supreme sound quality and lightweight wireless design. Work from home must have. For your new home office, cut out the noise around. For the specs we have acoustic design is closed, weight is 8.95 ounces, cable length is 3.94 feet, frequency response 4 Hz to 40 kHz, drivers 1.57 inch, driver type is dome type, sensitivity 104.5 decibels and impedance is 47 ohm, battery life 30 hours, wireless range 30 meters that is 98 feet, NFC yes. Price is approximately $348. Reasons to buy: improved noise cancellation, DSEE extreme audio upscaling, multi-point pairing. Reasons to avoid: not water resistant. On number 2 we have Bose Noise Cancelling Headphones 700. As an alternative to the Sony WH-1000XM4, these wireless headphones sound fantastic with a vibrant, lively character and well-balanced sound stage and offer the same great noise cancellation you would expect from Bose. The battery life is 10 hours less than Sony headphones despite costing more, but they are perhaps the best wireless headphones for making calls with. Specs have acoustic design closed, weight 0.64 lbs or 289 grams, driver type dynamic, impedance not applicable, battery life is 20 hours, wireless range 100 meters that is 330 feet, NFC no. Price is approximately $379. Reasons to buy: outstanding noise cancellation, fun lively sound. Reasons to avoid: battery life could be better, more expensive than Sony. Coming to number 3 is Bowers & Wilkins PX7 wireless headphones. If you are looking for wireless headphones with active noise cancellation and you are not put off by the $399 price tag, the Bowers & Wilkins PX7 are well worth considering. With sophisticated noise cancellation, much improved sound quality, the PX7 could give any of the headphones on this list a run for their money. Plus, they are packing aptX adapter for improved stability and latency between the headphones and your device, as well as high-quality streaming aptX HD brought to the table. Specification-wise, the weight is 310 grams, cable length is 1.2 meter, frequency response 10 to 30,000 Hz, drivers 43.6 mm, impedance 20 k, battery life 30 hours. Price is approximately $399. Reason to buy: best-in-class sound quality, competitive battery life, robust Bluetooth connection. Number 4 is Jabra Elite 85H, offering class-leading battery life, terrific style and plenty of personalization when it comes to sound profiles. The Elite 85H are easy to recommend. If you want an alternative to Sony's WH-1000XM4, these wireless headphones are a great choice. Specification-wise, the weight is 296 grams, frequency response is 10 to 20 kHz, drivers 40 mm, battery life is 36 hours and wireless range is 30 meter that is 33 feet. Price is approximately $249. Reasons to buy: class-leading battery life, excellent ANC performance, stylish and comfortable. Reasons to avoid: lack support for high-end codecs. On number 5, Bose Quiet Comfort 35 2. These are premium wireless headphones that include Google Assistant. Bose took the already excellent QC35 and updated them with Google Assistant. This means you still get the class-leading noise cancellation Bose is known for, good sound quality, and incredible comfort. Specs: weight is 0.68 pounds, cable length is 3.94 feet, and the battery life is 20 plus hours. Price is approximately $299. Reasons to buy: broad and clear sound stage, amazing noise cancellation. Number 6 comes Philips PH805. At $199, the Philips PH805 offers exceptional value for money. These are wireless headphones using Bluetooth 5 for connectivity, so high-resolution audio playback should be achievable. Using a single lithium-ion cell for up to 30 hours of playback time from a single charge, the Philips PH805 have active noise cancellation on board, administered by a couple of mics on each ear cup. These are premium wireless headphones without the premium price. Specs: the frequency response is 7 to 40,000 Hz, drivers 40 mm, impedance is 16 ohms, battery life 30 hours, and wireless range is 33 feet. Price is approximately $149. Reasons to buy: well made, good battery life, punchy, controlled, and detailed sound. Reasons to avoid: noise cancellation could be more effective. Number 7 comes Apple AirPods Max. It comes with active noise cancellation, superb audio quality, and a design that sets them apart from most noise-cancelling headphones on the market. The perfect headphones for iOS users. Specs-wise, weight is 350 grams, drivers 40 mm, battery life 20 hours, price is approximately $549. Reasons to buy: unbelievable audio performance, fantastic user experience, brilliant extra features for iOS, great noise cancellation. Reasons to avoid: very expensive, no 3.5 mm audio port, limited features for Android. On number 8 is Sennheiser Momentum 3 Wireless. These headphones sound fantastic with high levels of detail, warm bass, and natural sounding highs. Specifications is frequency response 6 Hz to 22 kHz, drivers 42 mm, battery life 17 hours. Price is approximately $399. Reasons to buy: brilliant audio quality, cool design, customizable settings. Reasons to avoid: battery life is not great, more expensive than rivals. On number 9 comes AKG N60NC Wireless. At their mid-range price point, these wireless headphones offer fantastic value for money with great sound quality and a level of noise cancellation performance that's on a level with the much more premium entries on this list. Specifications: weight is 199.4 gram, frequency response is 10 to 22,000 Hz, impedance 32 ohms, battery life 15 hours. Price is approximately $184. Reasons to buy: great sound, compact design. Reasons to avoid: not the most comfortable, initially confusing controls. Number 10 comes JBL Tune 750 BT-NC. JBL is a popular name in the world for wireless headphones and Bluetooth speakers. It has decent sound quality for a decent price. The JBL Tune 750 BT-NC sound great, look great, and they fit well, reliable and easy to use. Specifications: weight 220 gram, frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz, drivers 40 mm, battery life 15 to 22 hours. The price is approximately $129. Reasons to buy: good sound quality, strong active noise cancellation. Reasons to avoid: no waterproofing, average battery life. Alright guys, this was all about the best wireless headphones of 2021. Hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe the channel if you want more content like this. Also, soon I would be making a video on the wireless earpods and the true wireless earpods. Keep watching, stay safe.